We'll guide you through how to add cinematic bars in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to add cinematic bars in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep all files organized properly. Once everything is set, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, click File from the top menu to import the media you want to use in your project. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the media file you want to edit, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This clip will serve as the base footage where the cinematic bars effect will be applied. Once the clip is placed on the timeline, go to the Effects panel, which contains various video effects that you can apply to your footage. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Crop to quickly locate the effect. When the crop effect appears in the search results, drag the crop effect onto the video layer in the timeline to apply it to your clip. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. Scroll down through the available controls until you find the crop section. In this section, locate the top parameter and adjust its value according to your needs. For example, set it to 6% to create a black bar at the top of the frame. Then adjust the bottom parameter according to your needs. For example, set it to 6% to create a matching bar at the bottom of the frame. These adjustments will give your video a cinematic widescreen look. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the cinematic bars effect and ensure it appears as expected.